Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com. Here's the trade that I took, pound yen trade. I took it on the 15th May, which was Monday, the week starting from 7-minute chart. And here's my buy entry, SL move to break even plus. And you can see here it's 80 plus pips so far from here to here. The next trade, or the other trade I took from the 20-minute chart, USD yen, using the same system, by the way. Which is my IB system. Buy order here, SL move to break even plus. This is on the 16th May. And this is USD yen from 20-minute chart, right? The setup is like yellow line is above the black. This indicates all the way down. Price make it higher low, and red candle turns blue. My CTS alarm beeps, and then I have to take the trade if I like. If not, then it's okay. It's the choice. So if I'm usually prepared ahead of time, so I knew that this pair is gonna go up, so I can easily take the trade. Now, currently, what's running right now, you can see here. This is a gold chart, 40-minute. This is my entry right now at 2016, and it is at right now 1989. Sell order here, SL move to break even plus, and this is still running. I'm gonna hold it for a little bit more, and then I'll see if I can close and then wait for another entry. Another trade which is running right now is US30. All these trades, you will see that exactly by the setup. My setup, everything is by the setup. If I don't have the setup, and the setup has 4 conditions, so all 4 conditions have to be met before I pull the trigger. When all the 4 conditions are met, this alarm beeps and call me to come and take the trade, and that's what I do. This is sell order here, SL move to break even plus, and seller entry was 33,208. Right now, it is, you can see here, it went up a little bit. And you can see here it's 33,058, and this is 33,208. I'm probably gonna close it right after I finish the video. Okay, so this is what it is. Just wanted to show. And if you want to see what happened last week, let me take you to my website. We just did some makeover to the website. My old website was different. This is just like 2 days ago. We changed the theme. So here it is. Last week trades right here. You can see I had almost 12 trades, and they are all here. See this on the 11th? Well, that was like Thursday. Or Friday, but no, yeah, Thursday. So Euro USD short 85 pip, buy the book, setup, buy the setup, 60 pip, CAD yen, USD CAD, buy the setup exactly at 80 pip, long, this Aussie yen short, this pound yen short here. See this? Exact the same setup, pound USD down, short setup, and short trade for 90 pip, here USD 30. 2 entries here, right from here and here, and then all the way down here, pound yen here again on the 10th, so on and so forth. We have a lot of trades. I had probably like 12, 13 trades last week, and week before that was 24 trades. I'm gonna put that on the website soon. My son is working on it, so we just changed the theme, so it's a lot of things got erased, so we're gonna be putting back there. So this is just wanted to share with you guys that this is how this system, Magic Creative IB system. Now I changed the name. It used to be Magic IB system. So I just don't want that word magic anymore. So I changed it to Creative IB system. It is a system. It is a setup that we take the trade with. And once the setup is there, the alarm beep. And when the alarm beep, we take the trade. That's how it works. Okay, so this is right now, like I said, that this one is running right now, and the gold is running right now. All right, so you can trade this with this system. You can trade almost anything, not only just forex, but it's like commodities and stocks and metals, and anything you want to do. Different settings for different things, and this is what I teach it when I do my webinars. My subscribers, for my subscribers, I do webinar Wednesday and Sunday, and yeah, I explain everything. I teach over there. By the way, as for the teaching, I have right now a discount going on my one-on-one coaching course, which is usually, so this is one-on-one coaching, and this is all you're gonna learn. 10-hour intense course over the Zoom personally with me, no recording, with me. I record the session though, and then I give out the recording to the person, right? So you're gonna learn almost every single thing from A to Z Forex has to offer. And it is always like $9.97, but until my son did it, until May 19th, I have 50% off, which is the saving of $500. With that, you can learn everything in 10 hours over the Zoom with me. Plus, you will have almost, you will have 1 full year membership where you're going to attend 2 webinars a week, Wednesday and Sunday. I do at 4 o'clock p.m. Eastern time. And that's where I show the upcoming setups and explain them and teach all harmonic pattern and wave, this and that, blah blah blah. Anything or everything has to do with Forex I teach, right? And you will be a part of my, let me see if I can show you, part of my Telegram group, right? Which is like this. And you will be a member of that, where I put the setups and heads up about the setup, the upcoming setup, where you can take the advantage. It's a big advantage for my subscribers. So yeah, this is it for now. I just wanted to share with you that what is going on today, right now. Gold and US30 running right now. I have other trades running, but they're on the other account, other computer. Once they're done, then I'll make the video tomorrow and then show you that how I did on those trades, right? But yeah, after the 25, 30, 35 pip, in positive, I come and sit on the break even, and then the trade is, it's like a free trade, and I don't have to worry about it. And later, a few hours later, I'll see if I'm still in profit, then I make the chart and close the trade. Okay, so this is how it works. If you want to get it, if you want to get the system, if you want to be a part of my group, then you can go here, creativetradingsystems.com. I just showed you the website. Go there and sign up and start trading like this, start learning. And time is money, right? So don't waste it. And if you are profitable, just keep doing what you are doing. But if you're struggling, then come and join and then see how it is. All right. So bye for now. And thanks for watching the video, and have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the trading week.